You want to tell your mom what you guys did on the day of the famous blizzard of 2011?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
We were playing widgets and then we built big stuff and it was really cool.
Yeah? Do you want to build something really big for the camera? Alright, don't throw those cards anymore, please. You guys gonna build?
Yeah, Alex.
I would like to see you build something.
That was not a picture, it's a video. What is the video?
The date's wrong on this video. Can you scoot to the side so I can see what you're building? There you go, perfect. Alex, it's a video camera. Do you want to go play with your brother?
Yeah.
Yep, Dad was supposed to fly to work today, but they canceled all 6 of his flights, so I'm sitting here watching the kids play. And these are wedgets, if it's, 30 years from now and nobody knows what they're playing with. No cards. No cards. No cards.
Yeah, no cards. Yeah. No. Was that big, Daddy?
Not really, but everybody gets the idea now that you guys were building things just to break them. Can you give me a smile, Alex?
Daddy, listen
Great.
to this.
Joey, can you give me a smile? No,
Daddy?
a real smile, like you're
Daddy?
happy. What? Like you're happy.
Daddy?
Whatty, whatty?
You? Here, let's
Yeah?
What's making that?
I'm making a video. There's just some plastic or something in there.
Oh.
Oh. And that's it for the blizzard video.